Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm Putri Fahmiatul Ilmi and I'm here to invite you to know more about Wings Company. Do you know that are many big company in our country? So we are present with various type of product that are able to meet our daily needs. One of them is a Wings Company. This company is engaged in local production and distributor of household and personal care products. To be a dynamic and diverse business group, let's know more about this company. First of all, we are introduce ourselves. Introduce us from the group 5, which consists of 4 people. Namely, I'm Putri Fahmiatul Ilmi with NPM 2021 10 50 17.
Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Riza with NPM 2002 114 50 10.
My name is Alvito Trianugrah with NPM 2021 14 50 12 and 99.
Hello, my name is Willy Franz Gideon with my NPM is 2021450123.
Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Riza with NPM 2002 114 50 10.
Now, I want to explain about our company profile, namely PT Wings. First, let's get to know the Wings company. Wings has become one of the most trusted names in Indonesia. Indonesian families turn to a wide range of household products, personal care, food and beverage, and expect Wings to provide uncompromising quality product. Our brand have been passed down from generation to generation, with its advanced manufacturing technologies, world-class facilities, and stringent quality assurance. Wings product meet the high industry standard by remaining innovative and delivering high-quality product over the course of more than 70 years. Wings honors its commitment to improve the daily life of Indonesian consumer and demonstrates the extent to which the company values its customer. Innovation and keeping up with changing consumer tastes have allowed Wings to remain at the forefront of the consumer good market. Next, I will explain about the history of this company. The history of this company begins with Pak Harja Sutanto moving from Tulungagung to Surabaya in 1948, and the late Mr. Johannes F. Katuari moving from Yogyakarta to Surabaya to establish a household soap factory named FA, Tongfet, which means success and prosperity with the FA. And in the 1949, launched Tongfet first product, namely a bar of soap called Wings soap, which was produced in a factory on Jalan Kidul number 2, Surabaya by 6 employees, distributed using bicycles, kept sale and carried out under the door system, and consignment at corner shop at market shop, and shop women with basket on their head called peddlers. Next, in the 1971, the production of cream detergent economy received review from the market. This momentum was maximized by several more modern marketing strategies. The addition of distribution centers, modern and efficient after-sales service, distribution expansion supported by branded like intensive promotion through advertisement, exhibition, and direct selling event. Next, in 1974, after traveling for approximately 26 years, finally in 1974, a marketing office was opened in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, which is located on Jalan Cepaka Putih. This office is headed by Mr. Teddy Jeffrey Katuari, employees and one distribution car. In 1976, PT Dewasai Utama Mas factory was established, producing soap paste and its plastic containers. It didn't stop there. The 1918 was a period of rapid expansion of the Wings Group with the establishment of new factory and distribution center throughout the archipelago. Until now, the Wings Group has become Wings, which is one of the most trusted names in Indonesia. After we know the history of the Wings Group, I will explain the vision and mission of this company. The vision is strive to be able to meet customer satisfaction in accordance with the meaning. Vision is to describe what an organization will become in the future. It is simple, foster a sense of obligation, profit a challenge is practical and realistic, and written in one short sentences. Here, PT Wings has a vision of trying to fulfill customer satisfaction in short sentences and in accordance with the ideals of this company going forward. The mission is to achieve the company vision. We implement policies in product quality, production efficiency, time discipline, and consistency in quality. Next, we will explain about the product and organizational structure of the Wings Group, which will be assisted by Putri Fahmiatul Ilmi.
I'm Putri Fahmiatul Ilmi with MPM 2021-10-50-17. Today, Wings is recognized as a leading local manufacturer and distributor of home care, fabric care, personal care, food, and beverage products. Being a dynamic and diverse business group, Wings is still dedicated to the company's vision of all the good things in life should be accessible for everyone, in making life better for Indonesian consumer by providing uncompromising quality of product. The first product is food and beverage. The purpose of presenting various types of food and beverage product is to meet the wishes of the community and to expand company's product development, so that it is expected to be able to achieve consumer satisfaction. Brands that have been launched include Just Juice, Fresh Cold, Mie Sedap, Soy Sauce, and others. After food and beverage product, there is personal care, which serves to meet personal health needs such as bath soap and toothpaste. Some of the brands of this product are Ciptaden, Kodomo, Smile Up, Jif, Nuvo, Emeron, and others. The last type of product is household needs. This product is to complete all series of daily activities such as washing clothes, washing dishes, and others. Some of the brands that have been launched are Blue Wings, Economy, Daya, Soapin Power, Boom, Stock Clean Softener, Wings Porcelain Cleaner, Mama Line, and others. Why should you buy our product range? Because our products have the advantage of natural taste for food and beverage products. They are also processed with ingredients according to government health guidelines, and our products are able to meet your needs at affordable price and easy to find in the market. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and buy our products. After you know the product range from Wings Group, let's find out what the organizational structure looks like. 1. Marketing and sales, one of which is in charge of identify the target market and potential competitor and identify customer needs. 2. Production and engineering, to be responsible for maintaining the production process to achieve production targets while still concentrating on the quality of goods, equipment, maintenance, and efficient use of raw materials. 3. Finance and accounting, one of which is in charge of must understand administration, accounting, and financial concept, analyzing accounts data, identifying problems, and planning system improvements. 4. Logistic, one of which is in charge of improved purchasing, supply chain management, and distribution departments. 5. Information technology, one of which is in charge of able to have good IT, able to tour the network and deal with problems that arise in the field. 6. Human research, one of which is in charge of commit to the development of human and organizational research so as to increase business efficiency and productivity and continue to increase value for both the company and employees. 7. Research and development, one of which is in charge of must have a solid background and mastery of chemistry and research, able to develop exciting product according to market trends, and able to design the right packaging according to the function.
My name is Alvito Trianugrah with NPM 2021 14 50 12 and 99. Financial report. For the financial statement of the Wings Company are as follow. 2019 increased by 3.5% to 7.45 trillion from 7.19 trillion in 2018. 2020 increased by 5% to 7.82 trillion from 7.45 trillion in 2019. 2021 increased by 2% to 7.97 trillion from 7.82 trillion in 2020. After we know how the financial statement of the Wings Company, it can be seen that every year there is significant increase in points.
Hello, my name is Willy Franz Gideon. My NPM is 2021 14 50 12 63 awards. During the time this company was established, there were several awards that had been achieved, namely the first Padma Mitra Awards in 2020. Padma Mitra is an award given to a business entity that has implemented best practice in corporate social responsibility activities in the field of social welfare. Wings Group Indonesia received this award because it was committed to helping the handling of the COVID-19 outbreak. Since the first time this virus spread in the community by distributing various aids ranging from personal protective equipment, respiratory assistant equipment, hand sanitizer, hand wash, liquid disinfectant, detergent, shampoos, and staple foods. The second is Indonesian Living Legend Companies Awards in 2018. The Indonesia Living Legend Companies Awards in 2018 is presented as a form of appreciation to companies that have been able to run their business for more than 50 years and are able to survive in the face of challenges in the form of domestic and foreign economic crisis, as well as business competition, and have succeeded in appearing as companies that are able to continue to grow and develop, growing very impressive. Third, Indonesian Best Corporate Social Initiatives in 2016 and 2018. Mix Marcom Magazine Award, Wings Corporation, and Wings Food in 2016, and Wings Peduli Kasih Foundation in 2018. Mix Marcom Magazine organized Indonesia Best Corporate Social Initiatives, an awards for corporate social program in Indonesia, which were considered successful in bringing a significant impact to the beneficiaries, as well as having a positive impact on the business of the organizing company. In addition to receiving awards, Wings Company also often conducts social activities to help the community through the Wings Care Foundation. So from this we can find out the reason why this company has received various awards.
Maybe that's all we can say about the profile of the Wings Company. Sorry for all the shortcomings. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. See you again.